Are you ready to see some of the most brutal, jaw-dropping vehicles that 2024 has to offer? From off-road monsters to high-performance beasts, these vehicles aren't just machines, they're absolute game changers. Stick around because we're about to blow your mind with 15 vehicles that redefine what's possible on 4, 6, or even more wheels. Glickenhaus Boot, the Baja Beast. First up, we have the Glickenhaus Boot. This isn't your average SUV. This is an off-road machine built to dominate. Created by Scuderia Cameron Glickenhaus, a small American company started by James Glickenhaus, this mid-sized off-roader was designed to compete in the grueling Baja 1000 race. With high ground clearance, a robust suspension system, and a powerful engine, the Glickenhaus Boot is what happens when you combine high-performance racing with extreme off-road capability. It's street legal, but don't be fooled. This vehicle is built for serious adventure junkies who want to push the limits. BMW Dune Taxi, electrifying off-road power. Next, we're stepping into the future with the BMW Dune Taxi. This electric off-road concept vehicle combines rugged performance with BMW's cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. With powerful electric motors that deliver insane performance, the Dune Taxi is engineered to tackle the most unforgiving desert terrains. Its high ground clearance, large wheels, and aggressive body design hint at a future where electric off-roaders dominate the scene. While it's still a concept, it offers a glimpse into what the next generation of off-road electric vehicles might look like. Rizvani Hercules 666, the ultimate six-wheeled monster. Now, if four wheels just aren't enough for you, check out the Rizvani Hercules 666. Dubbed the god of all trucks, this beast is a six-wheeled powerhouse. With its towering height and imposing stance, this isn't just an off-road vehicle, it's a statement. Equipped with 6 wheels, the Hercules has unrivaled off-road capability. Whether you're climbing mountains or plowing through deep mud, this truck handles it all with ease. This thing isn't just about power though, it's packed with luxury features for the ultimate off-road experience. Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, the muscle car king. We're switching gears to raw power on the streets with the Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. This 4-door muscle car is an icon, delivering an earth-shaking 7 horsepower from its supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 engine. In the red-eye wide-body trim, kicks out a ridiculous 797 horsepower. It's more than just straight-line speed, though. The wide-body option improves handling and gives this Hellcat an aggressive stance that commands attention. Ford F450 Mega Raptor, the ultimate custom truck. If you're looking for something bigger, stronger, and more custom, then the Ford F450 Mega Raptor will blow your mind. This isn't just a truck, it's a monster created by Mega Rex. Built on the Ford F450 Super Duty platform, the Mega Raptor has been heavily modified with massive off-road tires, a lift kit, and aggressive body modifications. This truck is all about towering over obstacles with ease. Karlmann King, the world's most expensive SUV. Now, let's talk about luxury, specifically the Karlmann King. This SUV isn't just brutal, it's the most expensive SUV on the planet, starting at $1.85 million. Built on a Ford F550 chassis, the Karlmann King looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, with sharp, diamond-edged lines inspired by stealth fighter jets. Inside, it's a rolling palace, customizable to your wildest dreams, with a built-in entertainment center and even bulletproof armor for the ultimate protection. Bollinger B1, the all-electric off-road tank. Next, we've got the Bollinger B1. While it may have been canceled in 2022, this all-electric off-road SUV was a true game-changer. With a boxy design inspired by classic SUVs, the Bollinger B1 was built to conquer the toughest terrains, with its dual electric motors providing a combined 614 horsepower. Its 15 inches of ground clearance and all-wheel drive system made it a true off-road powerhouse, capable of handling anything Mother Nature threw its way. Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. Lamborghini Huracan Starato is an off-road ready supercar that combines Lamborghini's iconic performance with the ability to conquer tough terrain. Yes, you heard that right, a Lambo that isn't afraid to get dirty. Powered by a beastly V10 engine that delivers up to 610 horsepower, what makes it stand out is its versatility. Unlike traditional supercars, the Huracan Starato can take on rough roads, dirt tracks, and even off-road trails with its raised suspension and all-terrain tires. It's got a rally-inspired driving mode that makes off-road adventures more thrilling than ever. Mercedes Brabus XLP 900 6x6. Next on our list is a vehicle that demands attention wherever it goes. The Mercedes Brabus XLP 900 6x6. This monstrous luxury SUV is as powerful as it is luxurious, turning heads with its six-wheel drive and high-end design. The Brabus XLP 900 is a highly customized version of the Mercedes G-Class, enhanced with a roaring 800 horsepower engine. This makes it not only a powerhouse on the road, but also a formidable off-road beast. Its rugged body kit, tuned suspension, and off-road capabilities make it perfect for anyone who wants both luxury and adventure in one package. Bloodhound LSR. If speed is what you crave, then the Bloodhound LSR will blow your mind. This is not just any vehicle, it's designed to break the land speed record with its rocket and jet propulsion systems. The goal of the Bloodhound LSR: to smash through the 1,000 mph barrier and set a new world record. The Bloodhound's lightweight yet durable construction, made from carbon fiber and titanium, allows it to handle extreme speeds and temperatures. Dodge Ram 1500 TRX. If you're looking for a truck with both brutal power and extreme off-road capabilities, the Dodge Ram 1500 TRX is your answer. Known as the apex predator of trucks, this beast is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, the same engine found in Dodge's Hellcat models. It's equipped with cutting-edge off-road tech, including an advanced suspension system and specialized tires that make it capable of handling rugged terrains with ease. Whether you're tearing through sand dunes or cruising down the highway, the Ram 1500 TRX is a brutal machine that delivers relentless performance and utility. Black Kevlar 666. Now let's dive into something truly unique. The Black Kevlar 6 TRX. This is not your average off-road vehicle. It's a six-wheel drive juggernaut that boasts a Kevlar-coated exterior, making it as durable as it is powerful. With a front bumper-mounted winch that can pull 9,500 pounds and an 8-ton truck bed, the Black Kevlar 6 TRX is built for serious off-roading and towing. The LED headlights and rugged design give it a futuristic, military-like appearance. Inside, it's all luxury with hand-stitched leather seats and modern tech that guarantees a smooth, comfortable ride. Novatec Lamborghini Huracan STO. We're back to Lamborghini, but this time it's the Novatec Lamborghini Huracan STO. This souped-up version of the already spectacular Huracan STO takes everything to the next level. Powered by a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, the Novatec version enhances the aerodynamics, with a body made almost entirely of lightweight carbon fiber. This is not just a car, it's a finely tuned racing machine, designed to dominate both the streets and the track. Bugatti Bolide. Next up is a true hypercar, the Bugatti Bolide. This car is a marvel of engineering, designed specifically for the track. With only 40 units made, it's one of the rarest and most exclusive hypercars in the world. What sets it apart is its lightweight design. It weighs only 1,240 kilograms, making it the lightest Bugatti ever. This car is all about speed and agility, capable of hitting ridiculous speeds thanks to its aerodynamic design and Formula One-inspired features. Chevy C10 Slayer. Finally, we've reached the ultimate showstopper, the Chevy C10 Slayer. This isn't your average pickup truck. This is a custom-built monster that takes the classic Chevy C10 and transforms it into a brutal powerhouse. With an LSX 376 B15 engine and a massive supercharger, this truck churns out over 1,000 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with. The custom 2-axle setup allows it to adjust its ride height, meaning it can handle speed bumps or go low and fast for the track. The Slayer also features extra-wide fenders, a huge rear wing, and a 4-speed automatic transmission that ensures it's as smooth as it is powerful. There you have it, 15 most brutal vehicles of 2024 that will blow your mind. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more epic automotive adventures.